everyone, it's Kim and welcome back to my channel. Recently I seen a haul video by Nia Nicole, hey girl, and she was opening up a Bath & Body Works, like doing an unboxing of Bath & Body Works products, and they look like they smell delicious. So I was like, I had totally forgot about Bath & Body Works. I did find like 2 or 3 things from somebody on my online yard sale here locally. So I got those things, which I'm not going to include in this haul because it's an unboxing. And you're going to hear the kids and stuff. Hopefully I can get this done. So this is my box. I did get different scents than what she, her friend had got. We're going to open it. Hopefully the kids will not interrupt me. And I am just getting over being sick. Alright, so this is what my box looks like on the inside. I know whenever she got hers, they had a cute little pattern on the inside. Mine don't have that because I guess it's so big. Because it's a... Oh, I didn't even see that on the front. Huh. Well, I guess mine has a little design on the front. So, it says, thank you for shopping with us. And then it has like my order and stuff right there. And then when you open it up, I have paper. And this is what this bad boy looks like. Sorry, maybe.
Hi.
I got the Perfect Christmas, 20% off any online purchase. I got the Perfect Fall Vanilla. Ooh, I will be trying this. 20% off online purchase. And then I got $10 off any $30 purchase. So I'll be using all that as well. Maybe it was, I was just looking on there again last night, so maybe it was good that I did that. Alright, so, oh, and 2 of these items in here are for a gift for a family member, so I'm not going to say who it is because I know now. So the first thing that I got, which was on sale for $10, and it comes in this cute little, like, cardboard packaging, and I like this top. It is cute. It's like 10. But this is Fresh Balsam scented candle. Oh, and it smells really good. It's the 3-wick one. So I was contemplating on whether to get this or not because of the name. I was scared it was gonna smell like nasty, but it doesn't. So that is that one. The next thing that I got to go with that is this. It is the, I don't know what it is, but it's a cute little like holder for it. I'm excited to use that. Okay, so these are for gifts. I got Sensual Amber. It smells amazing for a family member. And then I got, I'm not going to open, maybe I should, I don't know. But it's, I guess we'll open it. It has like the little gift bag and stuff in there. So here's the little gift bag it's supposed to go in. I thought this was going to be bigger for the amount it was, but I suppose not. It's the Lavender Vanilla gift set. So just it goes in this little baggie here. I will be putting that in there. And then I got 2 other things. I got this candle, which is pumpkin gingerbread. Oh, and it smells delightful. And I just put my Christmas tree up today too, guys. It's not even Thanksgiving. I'm ready for the holidays. And then I got this one because everybody was raving about it. It's the Fireside Marshmallow Fireside. And that smells really, really fancy. So this is my haul. I don't think I got anything else. Did I get anything else? I didn't get anything else. So that was my little haul. I guess I'll tell you, like, this was $10. It was originally $22.50. And it smells like fresh Christmas, like you're going out finding your own Christmas tree. That's how good it smells. So it smells really, really good. And then the pumpkin gingerbread, I would say, is my favorite out of the three. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells like someone's baking gingerbread cookies. And I do have pumpkin cupcake and something else. I don't remember what it's called. But yeah, and then this is marshmallow fireside. And this has like one of those fancy scents. It's almost like a casual Christmassy scent, but you're beside a fireplace. Okay, like you're sitting beside a fireplace and your house is smelling like super Christmassy, like with all the different, I don't even know how to explain it. It doesn't really say. Let's see. A sweet toasty into a long cold day, toasted marshmallows and sumptuous vanilla cream blend with comforting aroma of rich smoldering woods. That's what it smells like. I couldn't describe it, but they described it on point. So that's what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. It's the first one I've ever did of unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to all you beautiful, my beautiful subscribers later. Bye. That Kat Von D. That's it right there. Right there. It's so pigmented and nice, but like I was talking about, it leaves those Kool-Aid marks beside your lips. That's what I